Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. We complete exercise 2.1 and 2.2. Today we start exercise 2.3. In this exercise, we find that what is the radical notation and what is the exponential notation. You know that what is the radical notation. Radical notation is always on the square root and exponential notation is like a power form. Okay. Question number 1. Write each radical expression in the exponential notation and each exponential notation expression in the radical notation. Do not simplify. Number 1, first is minus 64 square root of 3. How can this is the radical notation? I know you know that radical notation is in the square root form. We change into exponential notation. How can we change exponential notation like this? Minus 64 square root of 3 is equals to minus 64 is same like this. This is the radical notation. We change into exponential notation. Minus 64 square root of 3 means 1 by 3. Understand that? This is exponential notation. Now second part is 2 raised to 3 by 5. You hide this by 5. Okay? 2 raised to 3 and by 5 mean square root of 5. This is the radical form. This is the exponential form, change into radical form. This is also exponential form, change into radical form. Minus 7, minus is outside, you can write inside, no problem. Minus 7 square root of 1 by 3 means square root of 3. Y raised to minus 2 by 3. Y raised to minus 2 by 3 outside square root of 3. Understand that? Question number 1. You complete this like, okay? It's very easy. This is the radical form and change into exponential form. Here is the exponential form, we change into radical form. Here is also exponential, we change into radical form. Here is also exponential, we change into radical form. Question number 1, you do itself completely. Write on your notebook, on your record book, okay? Second question is, tell whether the following statement are true or false. We have to check that this statement is true or false. Number 1 is 5 raised to 1 by 5. 5 raised to 1 by 5. We do this question like this. Yes. 5 raised to 1 by 5. Answer is under root 5. It is wrong or right? It is wrong. Explanation. How explanation? 5 raised to 1 by 5 mean 5 square root of 1 by 5. So we write here square root of 5. So this is not equal to this. So for 5 raised to 1 by 5 is equal to 5 square root of 5. Answer. Second is 2 raised to 2 by 3 is equals to 4 square root of 3. It's right or wrong? Yes, it's right. How explanation? 2 raised to 2 by 3. By 3 you hide that. What is the up is 2 raised to 2. You write here 2 raised to 2. By 3 means square root of 3. So 2 raised to 2 mean 2 square will be the 4. 4 square root of 3. Understand that? You can do class. And the next is 49 square root is equal to under root 7. Square root of 7. You can do itself and also this. Okay? Question number 1 and question number 2. Now the question number 3 is simplify the following radical expression. We solve this, simplify this. Minus 125 square root of 3. It's mean that inside minus 125 we take LCM of 125. We makes a factor of 125. Yes class. Part 1 is minus 125 square root of 3. Inside minus, so minus you can make the LCM first. If the LCM is odd like 1, 2, 3, so minus will become there. You can also make in the calculator, no problem. 5, 5 and 5. It's mean that minus will also coming here because its power is odd. Minus 5 raised to 3. Square root of 3. Minus 5 raised to 3 is this. This square root of 3 mean 1 by 3. This is this. Okay. And this square root of 3 is 1 by 3. So 3 and 3 cancel. The answer is minus 5. Second is 32 square root of 4. 32, we make the LCM of 32. You can make the LCM of 32 like this. 32. You can check that 2 raised to 5 is the LCM and outside square root of 4. 2 raised to 4, 5. Outside square root of 4 mean 1 by 4. Understand that? We want to cancel 2 raised to 5 mean 2 raised to 5. You can do like this, 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 4 dot 2 raised to 1. Dot mean multiply. When the powers are same, when the base are same, powers will be add. 2 is the same, 4 plus 1 will be the 5. It's mean that 2 raised to 5 you can do like this. 2 raised to 4 multiply 2 raised to 1. Base are same, powers will be add. So you can write like this, 2 raised to 4. 2 is the same and 1 by 4. Okay. So you can multiply inside 1 by 4. 2 raised to 4 multiply 1 by 4. Multiply here 2 raised to 1 by 4. 4 and 4 cancel. Here is the 2 is the symbol and here is 2 raised to 1 by 4. It's mean that this is 2 is outside and this 2 mean 2 inside outside 4 like this. Understand that? You can do it easily this question. 2 raised to 4 1 by 4 cancel, 2 is the same. This is written as 2 raised to 4. Understand that? Hope you understand all the questions. Exercise 2.3. Question number 1 have 4 parts. Question number 2 have 4 parts also. And question number 3 have also 4 parts. Complete this exercise by this method. If you have any problem, you can ask me about this question. Okay. Tomorrow you have a test, exercise 2.1 and 2.2. Because every Thursday you will do test. Okay. Inshallah, tomorrow is your test, exercise 2.1 and 2.2, and complete this exercise 2.3. I will check this exercise on your next class. Okay. Assalamu alaikum.